And so what we're going to do now, we're in here. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to hit unlock. So I clicked on it really quick. Then I click on the cube. Then I want to bring this up. So I'm going to click and drag to lift. So now I can see the underside of that cube. Then I'm going to upload. I want to upload an image. Those two images that I had, so these ones, and I have to just do this twice. You're going to have to do it 6 times. So now I've got these two images. Now what I do is I just drag them in. Simple like that. Then I'm going to double click on that one, and I'm going to attach it, and you can pick any side you want, but make sure that yellow dot lines up to that blue one. Then I take this, I click, and I drag to scale. And I'm just going to drag until it's just the right size. Then I'm going to look at this side, double click on this one, attach it here, or if I want to go underneath, maybe I want to put this one underneath. So I double click on this one and go attach right on that one. And then I'm just going to make sure that I drag it so it's the right size. And then I can go in and have a look. Looks a little big. There we go. Now you'll eventually have that on 6 sides. Now remember, it said in Tinkercad you needed to add a second scene. So how you do that is you come here and you have to, I'll do that again a little slower. This one right here. You click there and to name this scene, I just like to call it scene 1. Then I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to call it scene 2. Then in scene 2, I'm going to delete this stuff, and you need to put something inside the merge cube. So what you do is you double click, you click view inside, and you're going to put your OBJ to scale in here. Now this is where I would like you to, when clicked, the item will rotate or do something so it's not just sitting there, it's doing something and you're adding a coding aspect into it as well. Then obviously when you're ready, it'll be handed in, but I would like you to share this with a friend, and maybe they can scan your QR code and they can look at yours, and then you can get that feedback and add more. Maybe your description of inertia doesn't make sense. So I'm really hoping that you focus on this criteria and do this. You can add the Tinkercad part at the end. It can be step 5 if you want, but I just wanted to show you how to add these onto the merge cube. Thanks for listening.